Hi, how are you? It's Wakako. It's been a while. I hope you're all doing well and happy December. So 6 months into the renovation, our house is slowly starting to take its shape. A project like home renovation has a definite ending, more or less. The project is done when construction is done. Yet, I have found the most valuable insight from this home renovation process has been to enjoy the journey as it unfolds. Of course, when our contractor said to us a few weeks ago, our goal is to finish the project before the holiday, I couldn't help feeling giddy, and honestly, I started counting the days. That's a natural human reaction, isn't it? With the mindset focused on the finishing line, every obstacle, small or big, started to feel like an obstacle, inconvenience, problem, headache, and also a trigger for negative feelings, because they're in our way of reaching the finish line. And I would feel frustrated and disappointed in the circumstances. And actually, that was a feeling I experienced earlier this fall when I just started to feel so disoriented from the constant noise the construction just naturally have, the dust and the inconvenience of not having real furniture to organize our belongings. For highly sensitive people like myself, the sensory overload of renovation can be quite a bit. It's a lot. And I can tell you that it was not a fun feeling to go through. Then I had an opportunity to kind of shift my mindset. I told myself that this was going to be one of the kind lifetime experience. I can't imagine we would renovate another 100-year-old house. So I might as well stay awake through the whole experience. And this mental shift led me to celebrate a milestone, many milestones, with more open-mindedness and joy. Frido and I have been taking our time every night to appreciate and honor the painstakingly tedious work our contractors' crew invest in so that they can get things done right instead of rushing and just getting it done so fast. Any small project that was finished was a reason to give a high five instead of feeling overwhelmed by the list of things that are still left to be done. Trust the process is one of our favorite mantras at Baum-kuchen. We love it because it applies to everything we do, from designing, parenting, landscaping, training for a marathon, running a business, and also to renovating a house. It's not to say that we sit in the back seat and stay passive. It's actually the opposite. Trusting the process is more about being present and experiencing the ride fully with an inner knowing that things will all work out in a way it's meant to be. The final destination might look different from the initial picture of anticipation, but it will be beautiful in its own way. Our house is looking very different from what Frido and I planned it to be at the beginning of renovation in June, but that's okay. We have made decisions along the way with the information we had at the time, and it has been an intentional journey for us, and we love the way the house is coming together. Our family will always cherish the memory of camping out on the deck, the excitement we felt when we were able to use the upstairs bathroom for the first time, along with many other firsts we had with our house. And most importantly, we'll always remember the smiles and high fives we exchanged with each other and with our contractor crews.